Hello, good morning, everyone. We already teach. I already teach about what the devices we are use in NP lab. Now come to the second experiment. Objective two: study and verification of standard network topology like star, ring, and bus. This is the second experiment of NP lab. Okay. Now I start. First, a network topology is the arrangement of network, including its node and connecting lines. There are two ways of defining network: geometric, the physical topology, and the logical topology. The first one is the bus topology. The bus topology is a network type is every computer and network device is connected to the single cable. Then it has exactly two endpoints that is called the linear bus topology. This is the diagram of the bus topology. There is the line and there is the different devices to connect it with the line, that is called the bus topology. The feature of the bus topology is transmitted data only in one directional, and the every device is connected in the single cable. The advantage of the bus topology: first one, it is the cost effective and the cable required is least compared to other network topology. Third one is used in a small network. Fourth one, it is easy to understand, and fifth one, easy to expand joining two cables together. Disadvantage of the bus topology: the cable fail, then the whole network fails. If network traffic is heavy on node and are more, the performance of the network decrease. Cable has limited length and it is slower than the ring topology. So this is the disadvantage of the bus topology, and we already read out about the bus topology advantage, disadvantage, what is the feature of the bus topology. Now come to the ring topology. It is called the ring topology because it form a ring as each computer is connected to the another computer with the last one connected to the first. Exactly two neighbor for each device. So this is the diagram of ring topology. A member of the repeater are used for the ring topology with the last number of nodes, because if someone want to send some data and in the last node the ring topology with the 100 nodes, then the data will be have the pass through 99 node of each data 10th node. The hence the prevent data less repeaters are used to the network. The second, the transmission of the unidirectional, but it can be made the bidirectional by having two connection between the each network node. The third one, the dual signal net topology. Two ring networks are formed and the data flow is opposite direction in them. Also, if the one ring fail, the second ring can act as the backup and keep the network up. The data is transferred as the sequential manner, bit by bit, and the data transmitted has the pass through each nodes of the network. Disadvantage of the ring topology: the transmitting network is not affected by the high traffic by adding or more net nodes, as only the nodes having token and the transmitted data. Now the second one is the cheap to install and the expand. And the disadvantage of the ring topology: the troubleshooting is difficult in the ring topology. And second one is the adding and deleting is the computer disturb the network activity. And the third one is the failure of one computer disturb the whole computer. So this is the disadvantage of the ring topology. And I teach the features of the ring topology. Now come to the next, star topology. If in this type of topology, all the computer are connected with the single hub through the cable. This hub is the central node and all the nodes are connected with the central node. So this is called the star topology. Now the feature of the star topology is every node has its own direction connected with the hub. Second one is the hub act as the repeater for the data flow. Third one is the can be used by twisted pair and optical fiber and the coaxial cable. Now this advantage of the star topology is the fast performance. Hub can be upgraded easily. easy to troubleshoot, easy to set up and modify. Only that the node is affected, that is only failed. So it is easy to use. Disadvantage of the star topology is the cost of installation is high, expensive is use, expensive to use. If the hub fail, the whole network is stopped because all the nodes depend on the hub. So this is the all the disadvantage of the star topology. Now come to the mesh topology. Mesh topology is the two techniques we are used in the mesh topology is router and flooding. The mesh topology is in routers. There is the having the router logic as per the network requirement. Like routing logic is the directed to the data and reach the destination using the shortest distance. Routing logic, which has the information about the broken link, is avoid those nodes. We can even have the routing logic via reconfiguration to fail node. Now come to the mass topology flooding. In flooding, the data, the same data is transmitted to the all the network. Hence, the no routing logic is required. The network is reboost, and the is very too unlikely to lose the data, but it lead to the unwanted lead over the network. There is the different type of mesh topology. The first one is the partial mesh and second one is the fully mesh. Partially mesh topology is the one of the is we can say that in this topology some of the system are connected with the same fashion. Like we use the mesh topology for the some devices that are only connected to the two or three devices. Fully meshed topology, each and every node device is connected to each other. The features of the mesh topology is fully connected, reverse, and the not flexible. Advantage of the mesh topology is each connection can carry its own data load. It is reboost, it is fault in diagnosed easily, and provides security and privacy. Now the disadvantage of the mesh topology installation configuration is difficult, cabling cost is more, wiring is required. So these are the disadvantage of the mesh topology. Now come to the tree topology. The tree topology is like the tree. It has the root node and all the node are connected to the root node. It is called the hierarchical topology. This is the example. Yeah, this is the diagram. You can say the in tree topology. The feature of the tree topology is ideal and workstation are located in the group used in wide area network. Advantage of the tree topology is extension of bus and star topology. Expansion of the node is possible and easily managed and maintenance and error detection easy. Now disadvantage heavily cable costly. It more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult, and central hub fail, network fail. Now come to the last one, hybrid topology. It is very difficult, different type of topology. It is the like mixture of all the topology. For example, there is the office in the department. Ring topology is used in, and in another star topology is used. And these topology are connected with the each other, and that is called the hybrid topology. The features of this topology, it is combination of the two or three topologies. Inherent and advantage or disadvantage of the topology is advantage of the topology is like reliable as the error detection, effective, scalable as size can be increased and flexible. Disadvantage of the hybrid topology is complex in design and costly. So these are the advantage or disadvantage of the hybrid topology. Now you completed your second objective. Your objective is what about the topology? How many type of topology we use in the network? So we completed this second objective of our NP lab. Thank you so much.